Need to quickly add money to your Venmo balance from your debit card. Funding your Venmo account directly from your debit card is a fast way to get ready for sending payments or making purchases. In this guide, I'll show you how to add money from your debit card to Venmo. To add money, open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Tap the Manage Balance or Add Money icon, which looks like a plus sign or money bag, usually at the bottom. You'll see an option to add money instantly or add cash. Select the option to add money from a bank account or card. If your debit card is already linked, choose it. If not, you'll need to link your debit card first by entering its details. Finally, enter the amount you wish to add and confirm the transaction. Funds from a debit card usually transfer instantly, making them immediately available in your Venmo balance. Note that instant transfers might have a small fee. And there you have it. Adding money from a debit card to Venmo is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.